Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Audi Sport Quattro S1 1986 US Olympus Rally. So as it says there, the Olympus Rally was in the United States, not Greece. Some images on the side, however it does say they're trial models with detail up parts. Here has got a sticker because this was exported to Europe. Some colour information. This is Nunu Model Kits or Nunu Platz, yeah, first one of this brand that I have ever made, and I want to say a big thank you to D.Model Kits for providing this kit. I'm really looking forward to getting it built. Okay, let's have a look inside. So we've got the instructions. Clear sprue. Now, D.Model Kits have very kindly given me some stickers as well. Got a thank you slip there. There are links to D.Model Kits Instagram and Facebook pages in the description. Later this year they will be releasing this amazing Ford Sierra in 2 liveries. Got the Q8 livery here, or the Mobile 1 car glass livery here, and I know that they've also got plans to release this Toyota Celica GT4. We've got the bodywork, a few white sprues in there, large black sprue, smaller black sprue, 5 tyres, poly caps and mesh, decals. Now we've got a white wheel sprue as well as some chrome parts. Start by looking at the instructions. In the first round of the World Rally Championship in January 1981, Audi launched 2 works machines to the Monte Carlo Rally. The machine was the first WRC car to use a full-time four-wheel drive. Until then, four-wheel drive, which had complicated mechanisms and increased weight, was not suitable for high-speed driving. Even though Audi was the first who challenged the world by using the high-speed four-wheel drive. Audi Quattro, a four-wheel drive car, was unveiled at the Geneva show in March 1980. A full-time four-wheel drive system, equipped with a centre differential gear, always distributes optimal power to the 4 wheels to provide maximum grip. The power generated by the inline 5-cylinder, 2144cc turbocharged engine mounted on the front was reliably transmitted to the road surface, creating stable driving. Audi launched the WRC stage in 1981 when it developed a Group 4 rally car that complied with the regulations of the time. First victory in Round 2 Swedish Rally. The following season, Audi became the Constructors' Champion in 1982 and the Drivers' Champion in 1983. Rival manufacturers noticed the superiority of four-wheel drive and developed their own four-wheel drive rally cars one after another. When the Group B regulation was issued in 1984 and the number of models required for homologation decreased to 200 units, when the midship four-wheel drive turbocharged equipment was standardised, it was said that the performance would surpass F1 cars at that time. Meanwhile, Audi had also improved its performance more, and the Sport Quattro S1 was announced at the Frankfurt show at the fall of 1983. The biggest feature was the style of the wheelbase was shortened by 320mm, and the total length of the body was shortened compared to the previous Quattro. The engine is 2133cc, equipped with a turbocharger on a dual overhead cam inline 5-cylinder 20 valves. Equipped with a viscous coupling type centre differential gear, manoeuvrability was also improved. The Audi S1 made its debut in the 5th round of the WRC in 1984, struggled with the structure being front heavy. The Audi S1 had continued improvements such as the next 1985 Evolution model, the S1 E2, and was improved based on the S1. With better weight distribution and large aerodynamic parts, the Audi S1 competed in rally races until 1986. In December 1986, the Olympus Rally held in the United States, Americans John Buffum and Neil Wilson did remarkably well to finish 3rd. Instructions. See there we've got some Mr. Colour colours. And then we've got decal instructions here. Just the number 5 car in this set. Not blanked out here, the parts which you won't use. So we've got the interior tub here. This is a really newly moulded kit, so as you'd expect, no flash. Got some disc brakes, got part of the exhaust, shock absorbers, the wipers, some door cards here. Detail is minimal, I guess it's a race car. Dashboard, left-hand drive, steering wheel. We've got the undercarriage. See there's space for the front-mounted engine. More suspension parts, more disc brakes, part of the exhaust system, and another part of the dashboard there. All very nicely moulded in this kind of satin black. Okay, so more parts here. So there we've got the 2 seats, bit of framework on the back, got a skid plate of the undercarriage parts, got gear stick there. I think these are night stage light covers. Got the grille here, which is really nicely detailed. That's great. Another vent here, some other vents here. Yeah, part of a radiator, I think. More night stage light covers. Don't think that those are in the instructions for this kit. A few things in here. So I'll start with the smallest one. Here we've got part of the bumper, and I think they're more sort of vents, not sure, but yeah, nicely moulded anyway. This one we've got, I think that's part of the spoiler, and also things like tow hooks, yeah, door handles, wing mirrors, yeah, nice fine detail on those. I think that's number plate. Hey, this one's interesting because this is the spare wheel, and we've just got one of these, and I think that's because in the original version of this kit, as you can see here, the spare wheel had this 5-spoke look instead, and on this one you've got other interior parts from the roll cage and the pedals. But yeah, nice. You can tell that these are for the spare because they've got no wheel nuts. Okay, 2 sprues in here. We'll start with this one. So there you've got all 4 wheels. They are all numbered 1, so they're all exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which way they go. And yes, they did look like this. That isn't brake detail. That is what they look like. You've got a chrome sprue here. Now, these night stage lights aren't in the instructions. However, I did find that they did actually use them at the Olympus Rally, so it might be interesting to add those anyway. It says Beemax on here rather than Nunu. Not quite sure which name is correct. Got headlights here and tail lights there. Clear sprue here, so all separate windows on this, and there are all those lights for the night stage lights. Got tail lights here. I think those aren't used in this version of the kit. I think that's for the Evolution version. We've got some smaller lights here, so I think those are the headlights. It's quite interesting that you can see these side windows have got the port opened, and there's a little hole there which may be for the wing mirror, not sure. But yeah, very nice and crisp, nice and clear, nice and shiny. Right, then we've got the bodywork in that iconic angular 80s styling. It's got these kind of blister wheel arches here, lots of open sections for vents and also to add parts like the headlights and the front bumper, which is very nice. The door handles are separate, which is also very good. Holes there for the rear spoiler. So yeah, really nicely detailed. That's really kind of obvious as the Quattro. This looks to be a really nicely moulded body. Some mould seams, for instance, along the roof line here, which is a little bit of a pain. Whereas along the kind of front, they're sort of blended more into the bodywork. It's got moulded in bonnet pins, which I'm not a fan of, but I suppose if you really wanted to, you could sand those off before building it. These all the same. They're slicks, which I'm not sure is correct for the Olympus Rally, considering I think it's gravel, but maybe they're tarmac sections as well. I won't take these out, but you can see in there you've got some mesh and also the poly caps. And also nice that they've given you 5, because that means you've got one spare in case you lose one. Right, then we've got these decal sheets and also some metal stickers. So we'll do the metal stickers first. You can see there just about, so we've got the 2 mirrors and also we've got an Audi badge for the front. Hopefully that's not too delicate, being those 4 rings. We've got this decal sheet here, really nice bright colours, lots of different markings, like for the US Rally, names of the drivers, all correct. These are window masks, which is interesting that they've given them to you like this. I suppose you could choose to paint them if you aren't a fan of that. It says on there, yeah, the Olympus Rally was in Washington State. And then on the other decal sheet, which is slightly larger, you've got the Audi racing stripes, and we've also got these kind of white sections here, the sun strip for the window. Yes, I'm not sure where some of these go, but I guess we'll find out. There we have it. Once again, a really big thank you to D.Models for providing this kit. This is going to be one of my April builds. The Audi Quattro is one of my all-time favourite 80s cars, also one of my all-time favourite rally cars, so I'm really, really looking forward to building it. First Nunu kit, also the first Audi I will have built. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.